Hello everyone, welcome back to our Stata tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to merge two datasets in Stata. So first we need to know about our datasets. So I have saved in my folder. In Stata language, the base dataset that you want to base your dataset and add another dataset with it is called master dataset, and the using dataset is the one that you want to add to your main dataset. So this is the language of the Stata. Now let's load the Stata data from here. So I can open master dataset first and describe the dataset, and here we go. So we have four variables: country, year, export, population density or pop density. So let's look at data browser. So our main ID variable is country and year. So year comes about seven times, because 7 time points, and then two variables. So main ID variable or the key variables based on which the data will be matched is country and year. So you have to keep in mind that the spelling of all these IDs or here in this case country has to be the exactly same. If you make the mistake in spelling, then the observations will remain unmatched in Stata. So, and which you can see in the results section, and when you run this command or so if you write Afghanistan in one file, and in your using file you write, for example, People's Republic of Afghanistan, then they will not be matched because the observations do not have the same name. So I hope we get this. And now let's so we have like two key variables, country and year. If you don't have the year, then you have the only one key variable, so that's fine. And now, so in this is my master's data set, and now I want to add another data set with it. So I will show you here. So this is the using data set. So I can show you this data set here using so for using data set we have in addition to our key identifying variables, we have two other variables, energy use and demog. So we want to add energy use and demog to our master variable, so our master file. So making it, so get rid of this altogether and now start over. So we have to open our master file, master dataset, and to which we want to add another user dataset. Okay, so we go to, now this data is loaded, the master one, and then we go to data and combine datasets, merge two datasets. Okay, so we're gonna click on the simple one, which is the default one-to-one on key variables. So these are advanced options, but I'm going to show you the simple one, which is one-to-one on key variables, and mostly you need this one. So key variables are, as I said, country and year. That's all. And now file of the dataset on disk. So this asks for the data in which is the using data, the file that we want to add to the master dataset, this one. So and now click OK. So the results shows that out of 903 observations, all of them are matched. Not matched is 0. So that means if you go here, now you can see instead of two other variables in addition to key variables, we now have energy use and democracy. So those are added in the single data set. Okay, so and here matched. So if something is unmatched, you'll also get that result as well. It will show you unmatched. Okay, so that you know that the names are not the same. So you have to correct that in order to match it to your master data set. Okay, so now if you save his data, combined data set, you can you can save it. You can save as combined data set. Save, get rid of it, and then open it again. So open the file, combined data set. Now describe. So now we have, instead of instead of only these two variables, in addition to our ID variables, we now have another two variables, and merge is the result for other. So you can drop merge. So you don't have that. So if you do describe again, so there is no merge. Okay, so now we have a combined data set including all these variables from two different data sets. So now we have a combined data set. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.